1991.
If you want to sound as if you've stayed up with the times, you know that sauce will get the point across as in that was sauce. That was saucy. Sauce. Sauce will get the point across. Whoa. Well, here are some other phrases you want to know if you want to be sure to sound saucy in the 90s.
Yeah. A greeting.
Whoa, sauce!
Clark said in amazement. Fucked. In the 80s, it was just fucked.
Boy, did I get fucked. I sure felt fucked. That was really fucked.
Racism. Black guy.
I can't believe you got off that speeding ticket.
What do you mean by that?
You get the analogy, right? Blacker guy. A real tough blacker guy. A white guy. Or a real deck. Or a real tough deck. Or a real tough deck assignment. Deck. Some phrases may be
Bart Simpson.
My time.
Black guys may be around forever.
Well, look, I gotta run. Peace.
Bye, Tom.
One last no. You gotta remember that saucy slang changes rather quickly, so if you want to use cowabunga 90s. Sauce.